Soviet Spetsnaz soldiers were the most feared fighters on Earth, built in the snow with no gym machines. Their secret training was classified for 40 years. Today, I'm giving you their 6 bodyweight exercises that build more muscle than any gym machine ever will. And stay till the end, because exercise 6 is the one they use to make soldiers literally unbreakable. Before we start, remember this one rule. And honestly, this is worth more than any expensive personal trainer session. We're gonna maximize the stretch in every muscle. That's where real growth happens. No swinging, no cheating, just pure muscle tension. Ready? Let's build. Forget lat pull-downs. Those machines do half the work for you, which means your core's basically taking a nap. Not here. Pull your chest to the bar. Not just your chin. Big difference. 5-second negative. This is where the magic happens, where your muscles actually tear and grow. No swinging, no momentum, just controlled tension. Spend all day hunched over your phone? Your mid-back is screaming for help. Keep your body in a straight line, heel to head. Squeeze your shoulder blades together at the top like you're crushing a walnut. This is your posture reset button, and it costs you exactly $0. Hot take? Close grip bench press is overrated. This is better. Shoulders down and back before you even move. If they creep up toward your ears, you're asking for an injury. Lean forward slightly for chest. Stay upright for triceps. Either way, control that descent. 3 seconds down. Want that upper chest that makes any shirt look good? Forget the incline bench. Just elevate your feet. This angle hits the upper chest perfectly. And here's the secret. At the bottom, let your chest stretch. Don't rush back up. That stretch under tension, one of the most powerful muscle-building signals in science. Use it. This one makes grown men cry. 0 spine compression, 0 lower back stress, just pure leg power. Drop that back knee straight down. Don't let it drift forward. If your front knee's caving in, your glutes are asleep. Wake them up. Push that knee out. All right. This is the one the Soviets used to make soldiers literally unbreakable. And 99% of people in the gym have never even tried it. The single leg Romanian deadlift. Hinge at the hips. Keep a soft knee. Back stays flat. That wobble? That's not a mistake. That's your bodybuilding stabilizer muscles that protect you from injury for life. This one move improves your squat, your sprint, your jump, your posture, everything. 6 Soviet exercises, 0 machines, 0 joint damage, 100% results if you actually put in the work. Do this circuit 3 times a week. Give it 6 weeks. Then tell me you still need that gym membership. Hit subscribe for more no BS training that works with your body, not against it. And if this video just saved you $50 a month, you're welcome. Now go train.